UINS is a sensor fusion underwater inertial navigation system developed by QYSEA for its FIFISH AI ROVs. It merges satellite GNSS with inertial data, fusing QYSEA's QDVL sonar, GNSS receiver, proprietary software, and algorithms, ushering in a smart, lightweight, and efficient era of subsea positioning. Rapid mounting, instant deployment. Clip on the QDVL and GNSS in just 1 to 2 minutes. Snap on and dive. Smart path planning, autonomous cruising. Select Smart Path in the FIFISH app. One tap sets a key route for rescue or inspection missions, as the ROV auto-cruises with centimeter precision. No manual control needed. Waypoint saving, multi-target search. Store waypoints as needed. On-screen markers ensure traceability. In emergencies, tag multiple points of interest in auto returns, leaving no area unchecked. One-touch return, navigate with ease. Tap return to abort. The ROV automatically navigates back to the launch. Simpler operation, faster turnaround, and less pilot strain. Track lines, actionable insights. Choose how long the live track remains on screen. Every path is logged for later analysis and informed decision-making. Multiple map modes for every scenario. Use online, offline, or custom maps, whether industry charts or your own. And maintain centimeter-level navigation, even during signal loss. QYSEA's UINS streamlines traditional subsea positioning, delivering precise autonomous navigation in complex waters. Pioneering advanced autonomous navigation beneath the surface.